car I've never seen here before. 1975 BRICKLIN. BRICKLIN with gold wing doors. Some of New Brunswick, Canada. 2,854 built. 2 years or 3 years, 74 to 76. Upgraded engine, 432 cubic inch, 540 horsepower, 4-speed overdrive, acrylic body, acrylic fiberglass body, gold wing doors. So, let's get back a little bit here. See? Sweet, huh? Never saw this one here before. Here's the upgraded engine.
Watch your head. Thing will scalp you.
Oh yeah, I hear you. Yeah, like 4x4 does that. Yeah. Yep. More duration. Sweet ride. Never saw this one here before. They got 150 mile an hour speedometer. You see that's the door hinge set up with the, I guess they're dampeners or whatever. Possibly that's operated with a motor, I'm not sure. You see the dual exhaust come out of the center. BRICKLIN.